Welcome to Makeover Mondays, made easy by Easy Pro. Back with us today is General Manager Jeff Rogers to explain why acrylic materials are becoming more and more popular. Jeff, thank you for coming back.
Thanks for having me back.
For those who don't know, what is acrylic? What's the power behind acrylic?
Acrylic is a great product. It's a game changer for the bathroom remodeling industry. It's a durable product. It's easy to clean. Comes in a number of different styles and patterns, so the possibilities are really endless.
Wow. So why make the switch from tile? I feel like there are a lot of bathrooms out there with the typical tile, but you're saying make the move.
Sure. Tile is a beautiful product. You know, only comes typically with a 90-day or 1-year warranty, and it's very labor intensive. Tile is mostly made of grout. Grout needs a lot of cleaning. It gets moldy, gets mildew. You're scrubbing, and it never comes clean, right? With acrylic, it's not that way. It's a seamless product. It's non-porous, so it's very easy to clean. It resists mold and mildew, so it keeps your bathroom nice and fresh and healthy for years to come.
It's the whole package.
It is the whole package.
Easier to clean, much more easier to maintain. I love it. And does it last longer than the tile?
It lasts a lot longer than tile. Like I said, it comes with a lifetime warranty, and it installs a lot quicker than tile. So you're saving time and saving labor costs, so you're saving money as well, typically.
Time and money, can't beat that. How can Easy Pro help with this process for those who are interested in the acrylic change?
We try to keep it real easy, so give us a call. We come out to your house, we bring samples, we bring product. We'll take a look at your project, what you're looking to do. We'll give you a price down to the penny that's good for a year. So when you're ready to move forward, you know exactly what's going to cost. And for your viewers today, we are offering $1,000 off the tub shower project to get started. So give us a call or go to easyproexpress.com, and we'll be happy to come out and look at your bathroom and go from there.
Head to that website. You're local. You're right here in the community. And I love that right off the bat, there are no hidden costs. You tell them up front what it's going to be.
What it's going to be, down to the penny, and that it does not change.
Amazing, Jeff. Thank you so much. Let's hit that website one more time because you have such an incredible gallery and so much more.
Yeah, appreciate it. It's easyproexpress.com.
Awesome. Thanks, Jeff.
Thanks for having me.